Santa Rosario, Batch 2025-2026.
Department's 25th moving up ceremony of Escuela de Santa Rosario school year 2025 to 2026.
welcome address. Everybody, let us all welcome Anatoly Marie A. Malabanan.
Good morning to our dear parents, teachers, guests, and to my fellow students. My name Today is a very special day for us. This year, we learned so many new things and helpful to our friends. We want to say thank you to our teachers for teaching us with so much patience, love, and care. Thank you for helping us learn and grow every day. To our parents, thank you for always supporting us, guiding us, and cheering for us. We love you. School has been a place where we made friends, discovered new things, and started dreaming about what we want to be someday. To my fellow students, welcome! Let's get ready for more learning and more adventures as we move up to grade 1. Once again, welcome everyone, and thank you for celebrating this special day with us. Let's enjoy this wonderful moment together. Thank you and God bless us all.
On Ms. Marivic T. Garcia, School Registrar, for the presentation of the completers. Mr. Emmanuel A. Villa, OIC Principal. Mr. Matthew Villa Josefina Coronado Bernal, School President, for the confirmation.
Of 26 boys and 29 girls who has satisfactorily completed the requirements for completion in preschool under the K-12 Basic Education Program. As prescribed by the Department of Education, and I hereby recommending them to you for the certification and confirmation this 10th day of April 2026.
By the Department of Education, that upon the presentation and implementation of Ms. Margaret P. Garcia, our school registrar, that you have satisfactorily completed all the requirements as prescribed by the Department of Education under the K-12 Basic Education Program. I hereby confirm your completion this 10th day of April 2026. Congratulations.
Ray Dominic R. Levisman. Ocean T. Angelia. Dr. Miguel E. Calderon. Jason G. Campo. And Kurt Jess V. Mora. Audrey I. Albano. Ara D.C. Reyes. Angela B. Sebastian. Congratulations, Sweeper 1 and 2. Now may I call Carlos Miguel R.C. Elias Franco R. Kelly B. Nuki. John Isay R. Pabilando. Marcos Primo M. Coyeliti. Zia Elise M. Alvarez. Isabel S. Batacan. G. Eduardo. Sa B. Pablos. Erin Lea Alice B. Candelero. M. Martin Claire I. Zamora. Killer Hershey Boys. E. S. Kaima. Alistair Dexter Seaper M. Forion. A. Ford. Lucas P. Haspera. Mateo Valentino Iglesias. Mateo C. Perez. Gabriel C. Perbera. Mackenzie T. Todd. Kinder Hershey Girls. Dion Jess P. Cañabano, Señales. Maria Olivia C. De Leon. Paula Denise P. Juan. Maria Martina Hailey T. Magno. Anatoly Maria J. C. Maramot. El Rabado. Yuna May R. Ramirez. J. Tamayo. Congratulations, completers.
Megan Abby A. Denesius. Dr. Miguel E. Calderon. Most responsible. I. Albano. Most polite. Aviana Bernadette D.C. Reyes. Isardi Awardee. V. Alejo. And with honors. Once again, Kabiba Rai O. Basilio. With honors. Jalu R. Coronado. Kira Elise G. Delicaco. With honors. In Lea Gallardo. Miss Lia Martina Hailey. Alia Kim M. Martinez. Elias Franco R. Dulan. With honors. Gabriel C. Vera. Gianna Jean Isabel Rabalo. Mackenzie T. Tan. With honors. Marcos Primo M. Community Zamora. Best in Science. Best in Writing. And with high honors. And also she received a 25% scholarship voucher from Escuela de Santo Rosario. Mathematics. Best in Filipino. And with high honors. And also, she received a 25% scholarship voucher from Escuela de Santo Rosario. Congratulations.
Should focus on preparing children by equipping them with high-quality education, the necessary skills and character that will enable them to face many obstacles in any circumstance, to nurture the potential skills that will empower them in shaping their own destiny, and to instill them with strong ethical values, morality, and a positive mindset. All of these can lead to a brighter, bigger, and better future for themselves. My goal was never just to be at the top of my game, but to lead in any way I could. And I believe that in my own way, I was able to contribute, to serve, and to make a difference during those years I've been here. And now, as I stand here today, looking back on everything, every challenge, sacrifice, and lesson, I realized that none of this journey was ever meant to be walked alone. Allow me to express my deepest gratitude to the people who became my own inspiration to continue fighting for my journey. First of all, to our Almighty God, thank you for giving me strength, wisdom, and guidance throughout my journey. Forever blessings upon me and my family. and for listening to all of my prayers. I am truly grateful. Without you, I will not be where I am today. To our school president, Dr. Maria Josefina Coronado Bernal, I express my deepest gratitude for your kindness, guidance, and support that allowed me to spend my 15 years here in Escuela de Santo Rosario, my second home. You are not only a respected leader, but an inspiration to every Santo Rosario, creating an environment where we feel motivated to grow, to learn, and to give our best. To our esteemed school administrators, thank you for your leadership, guidance, and unwavering support. Your visionary leadership has built a strong foundation that continues to shape students into confident individuals ready to face the future. Your genuine care and presence have made our school a place where we feel valued, nurturing both our academic growth and character. Together, we have created an environment where we feel inspired to grow and to become the best version of ourselves. To our dedicated teachers and staff, we appreciate your hard work behind the scenes in creating a supportive and organized environment for all. Your patience, commitment, and passion for teaching have helped us grow not only academically, but also as individuals. You have been our mentors, guiding us through challenges and inspiring us to strive for excellence. Your efforts, often unseen, have made a lasting impact on our journey and success. To our proud parents, thank you for your unconditional love, sacrifices, and unwavering support. This achievement is not only for your child, it is a reflection of everything you have done for them. To my alma mater, Escuela de Santo Rosario, thank you for being my second home for 15 years. You have shaped me with knowledge, discipline, and values that I will carry as I move forward. I will always be proud to call myself a Santa Rosaria. And finally, to the young completers, always carry with you the passion in your heart, to trust the process, and to always believe in yourself. If your Kuya Mark has made this far, I know that you can too. Keep striving with courage, perseverance, and faith. And now, as I close this chapter of my life here in Escuela de Santo Rosario, I want to leave a reminder for all of you. Be the change you want to see. Transform your weaknesses into strengths. With small steps, you can achieve your goals and inspire others on your own journey. No matter how hard it will be, no matter how far it may seem, and no matter how long it will take, you're going to make it. You just need to believe as you have your own timeline. Just do your best and the rest will follow. Be the brightest star you could ever be in this world and shine as much as you could. Once again, I am Mark Joshua Kuyawan Bakay from Humanities and Social Sciences Strand. Thank you everyone for being part of my beautiful journey. Signature and Astra, this one journey to the stars. Congratulations back 2025-2026. Thank you for listening and have a blessed day ahead to all of you.
escuela